Hello everybody, I hope you all are doing well. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you about the interface of Opencart admin panel. Admin panel of an website is used by the administrator to maintain the system. Opencart admin panel helps to maintain the e-commerce business. So let's start and see how the Opencart admin panel looks like and how does it work. First, we have to log in to the admin panel using the admin credential. To log in, go to the URL and write /admin after the URL and hit enter. This is my main domain URL, and to go to the admin panel I am writing /admin after the URL. You can see the login page here. To log in, I just need to give the user or admin credentials to enter into the admin panel. So here we are in the admin panel, and the first option of the admin panel in front of us is the admin dashboard. You can see the admin dashboard here. We can see there are some parts of admin panel. The header part, which contain the Opencart logo at the left top corner, and the store detail and the logout button at the right top corner. Sidebar section, which is called the navigation bar. You can see this at the left side. This section helps user to access different options of Opencart or different module of Opencart. We can manage this feature and functionalities through these options. For instance, here we can see the sales option or sales menu. From this sales menu we can manage order, as well as there is a catalog menu. From this catalog menu we can manage inventories, products. There is a settings menu. We can say the settings module or the systems and then settings. This is used for the settings of the total system. We will give the further discussion about this module later videos. Now moving to the third section named container section, which contain the content of each module. Like that, I'm going to the dashboard again. Here I am at the dashboard. This section is called the container section, where you can see the total orders, total sales, total customers, people who are currently online. These informations are stored in this dashboard container section, as well as sales analytics. This blog represents some information about the order and the customers. Moving the below section, this section is the latest order section. Few latest orders information will be displayed here with customer name, order ID, order status, date, total amount of the order. You can see the latest few latest order list shortlist here, and at the right side left side you can see the recent activity. This recent activity means uh, which users are already logged in, or which users are logged in recently, and which user recently registered. You can see this list here. And finally, at the very bottom section, which is called the footer section, contain the copyright issue and the version of the Opencart which is used to develop this system. You can see the version 3.0.3.1 is used to develop this website. This is the website that I have developed for one of my clients. Some more works are still need to be done to complete this project. So I hope from this tutorial you have learned about the interface of the Opencart admin panel and the dashboard. Thank you everybody.